At the beginning of the Anarchy, it was all about individuals looking for their very own way of translating the meaning of anarchy into a lifestyle and architecture. Lifestyle based on mobility. Lifestyle based on sustainability. Lifestyle based on leisure. With the growth of the population, it became clear that collaborating to produce in large scale was the best way to evolve from a survival approach to a freedom-based architecture. The result was the creation of crops to supply food and a dam to supply energy and water. To distribute the resources, stations were anarchically spread around the dam, which led to the spontaneous creation of small neighborhoods concentrated around each, similar to the developments of medieval towns. To understand this spontaneous development, based on the logical principle that everyone would get resources from the closest distribution station, a noise structure was created. It generates boundaries between given points, always passing halfway and consequently showing which resource station is closer. The same Voronoi logic was applied into a smaller scale to understand the fair agreements that would happen between individuals in a land with no property. The densification of the area also created new flows within the settlement according to external agents like the creation of roads by another group connecting everyone, but passing right through the middle of our settlement. The proximity to the river in some neighborhoods. The presence of smelly neighbors. Literal invasion of the area by two giant structures from others, he disrupted the, until now, self-referred urban textile. To be able to keep the exponential rate of densification, the inhabitants had to invade back the ones who invaded them. The best way to do that is parasiting their structures and using the best characteristics each one of them had to offer, like shade in this hot weather. Or the height that allowed the citizens to reach the stronger winds. exponential increase in density reached such a point that the occupied area was just not enough. Therefore, expansion was completely necessary. Neighbor areas were populated, diluting the boundaries between different projects and becoming an eclectic city filled by anarchist freedom.